How to use Jeep at Walmart. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the Jeep app available on both iOS and Android devices. Then sign up or log into your account on the app. Browse Walmart's website or app and add the items you want to buy to your cart. Ensure your total is within your Jeep spending limit, which can vary depending on your account. When you are ready to check out on Walmart's site or app, choose Jeep as your payment option. You may need to link your Jeep account to Walmart, which is usually done by entering your Jeep login details. After selecting Jeep, you will be prompted to choose a payment plan. Jeep allows you to pay in 4 equal installments. First payment due at the time of purchase, usually 25% of the total. Remaining 3 payments due every 2 weeks, the next installment after the first payment. Once you have selected Jeep and confirm your payment plan, proceed with the checkout. You will receive confirmation of your order and Jeep will handle splitting the payments automatically. Jeep will send you reminders for each payment. You can pay via the Jeep app using a linked debit or credit card. You can also track your payments directly in the app. Using Jeep at Walmart is an easy way to spread the cost of your purchases, especially for the larger buys. So this is how you can use Jeep at Walmart. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.